we talked recently about a hack that happened with WhatsApp. This one, not a hack, but another controversy relating to ads. So anyone who's familiar with WhatsApp, it's been like this wildly successful messaging app, obviously. 1.5 billion users. Facebook bought them. People were constantly wondering, like, what is the monetization strategy here? How is WhatsApp going to make money? It's this very important app for a lot of people. And I believe they had a premium. You could pay a little bit for like a premium account at one time. Was that a thing in WhatsApp? Was there a pay to play option for extra features?
Yeah, I remember paying $1.
It was like $1 per year. It was pretty insignificant. Well, obviously now that it's owned by Facebook, that's not enough. We're gonna need a few more bucks there, Kirk. A few more dollars. We're Facebook, you know, advertising. You can't really blame them. They gotta find a monetization strategy. But anyhow, people are not super happy about it. WhatsApp is an important utility for a lot of people. And these ads are going to launch in 2020. They're going to be status ads. So that's WhatsApp's stories. What app doesn't have stories these days, by the way? It's getting out of hand. Anyway, so the ads are going to be inside of WhatsApp status stories. And they showed off what that's going to look like. And some people found it to be offensive. Many users, in fact, saying they're going to switch apps, switch to Telegram. Why the heck does Facebook think this is a good idea? People use WhatsApp for professional contacts and Facebook for pleasure. So these are comments from Twitter users, and they're not happy. I don't want ads. I'd rather pay $50 a year to use it ad-free. Same as always, idiots. Wow, people are so angry, aren't they? Well, holy moly. Anyway, it's... What can you do? This seems to be part of the maturation process of almost any app, of almost any user bases. They're like, okay, now that you love it, we got to monetize. And this is the de facto monetization standard. People say they want to pay for services online, and that is changing recently. People are changing their behaviors around that. They're paying a few bucks for things they really like, but the majority of online audiences are still paying through their attention in the form of ads. And there's very little way, it appears, to get around that. If you want good things, you got to pay one way or the other. So anyway, you may have a point to the angry person on Twitter here. If maybe they should offer $50 a year for those type of users, and maybe they do very well with that. That could be an option. It would be a cool idea in general for social media. Instagram could have something like that. Facebook, Twitter, an ad-free version that you pay for. It would be interesting to see how many people would actually take advantage of that or how many would choose to put up with ads. Anyhow, ads are coming to your WhatsApp, so get ready for it.